Want these guys to leave? You gotta yell at them.
I think they want us to stay all night, Joe, and keep them up.
I think so.
I guess we're going to stay here all night and bother you.
I got lots of batteries.
Come on. Show us that you can do this. I think you guys are pretty weak. It's okay to provoke, isn't it, with you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I don't want you provoking since you have to work here.
Look at it. Look at the meter.
Did it just go up?
It just went up to orange.
Are you weak?
I hope the camera caught that.
It's close to it.
None of you guys saw that.
Hey. Why'd Germany kick you out of there?